I'm excited to help you decide which Arduino you should get. First on my list is the Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano has a very small size. The idea is that you integrate the whole Arduino board into your project. Now it is important to pick the correct one. In this course we will focus on the 5-volt types. If I head over to Arduino CC and go to hardware, there's different types of Arduino Nanos. This one right here is the classic Arduino Nano that I would suggest. It runs on 5-volt and it is based on the ATmega 328. Next on my list is the Arduino Uno. Now there is a new Arduino Uno R4, but I would suggest to get Arduino Uno R3. The first advantage is you can replace your microcontroller if you destroy it. This is cheaper than replacing the whole Arduino board, and I happen to destroy a lot of them. The second advantage is that you could use the Arduino board as a programmer for your chip and then directly integrate just the chip into your project. If you have limited space, that's a very nice solution. Now it requires some surrounding components, and I will definitely create a video about this. Another advantage of Arduino Uno is that they have the classic footprint that the first Arduinos already had. There is a lot of shields and you can mount it on top like this. This way you get new hardware features like the CAN bus in this example. And Arduino Uno R3 is also the platform that we will use in this video series. Another difference is that with Arduino R4, they are using a new microcontroller, which means that a lot of libraries are not going to work right now on the new Arduino Uno R4, unfortunately. So I would suggest you to stick to Arduino R3. Next on my list is Arduino Leonardo. Now, Leonardo has the same footprint, so it is compatible to shields. It has 5 volts. The downside is it has no replaceable chip, but it has the capability to emulate mouse or keyboard, which is very fun. So you can actually connect your Arduino Leonardo to your PC and then it controls your PC. So technically it could open up Arduino IDE, create a new sketch, write its own program and flash it to itself. If you want me to make a video about Arduino Leonardo flashing itself, let me know in the comments down below. Then we have Arduino Mega. The number of inputs and outputs on the Arduino Uno is very limited, and that is why you have the option with the Mega platform to increase the number of IOs dramatically. Now if you need more IOs and you would like to keep the Arduino Uno, you can also use shift registers to expand the IOs. Next on the list, Arduino MKR. They look nice. There are a lot of shields, but they rely on 3.3 volts. I never use them. If you have some experience, please let me know why I should take a look at them. One advantage, of course, is they're using ARM chips compared to the Arduino Uno, which uses the AVR platform. ARM chips have a lot of performance and also 32 bits. Yeah, and the last on my list is of course Arduino clones. There are a lot of Arduino clones out there. You find them on places like eBay, AliExpress, Amazon. Now my suggestion is, if you don't own an Arduino right now, you should probably start with an original Arduino. Because with Arduino clones, if you're lucky, everything just works fine. But if you're not, you will have to install special drivers downloaded from questionable sites, and things may just break and will not work for some reason. And especially if you're new to Arduino and you're just about to learn how everything works, that's very frustrating. So if you're just starting out with Arduino, I would suggest you to spend a little bit more money and get a 100% compatible and working Arduino. So there you have it, my ideas on which board you should get. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deep into the world of Arduino. Like, subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have some questions or some experience with boards that I didn't mention. If you found this video helpful, you will definitely want to check out this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.